fantastics, welcome back to my channel. कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? मैं बहुत 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 अच्छी हूँ guys. And so fantastics, in today's video I'm finally going to make another slime for one of my best friends as well. Her name is Adiba. You guys have already seen her in a short before with Hemant and Shrestha. So you guys know who she is, and she's literally a sweetheart. And you guys, she is like one of my first friends that I made after coming to Jaipur. Like, she was like literally my first best friend that I made after coming here. So this is like a very special friend of mine, and she finally has a slime request. So I am going to make whatever she had told me to make because she wants it, and I am going to make it for her. So this is the slime video that she sent me from Insta. So this is a Snoop slime video in which they are showing a kind of red jelly slime, I think. And so now, without talking too much, let's go and let's get started with this video. So fantastics, for this we need a clear base. So for our clear base, I'm going to use this Yucky Science clear glue. You guys always ask me where I get it from. I got it from Amazon. You guys can check out the first link in the description of my video, and it is my slime shop link. If you want to support me, then go ahead and buy it from my link in the description below. So yeah guys, now let's start making it, and for that we need a bowl. So let's take our bowl. So here's our bowl. So now let's take our first ingredient, which is, as I told you guys, Yucky Science clear slime glue. It literally lasts you a lifetime. Like, I've bought this like 2-3 years ago, and it's still lasting me to this day, even though I make so many clear slimes for you guys. I'm going to pour my clear glue. It's super satisfying, you guys. So we want about that much, and we are also going to add a little bit of water because, you know, in this jelly slime we are going to add some snow. So for that snow to activate, we are going to add dry snow in this. So that's why we need to add a little bit of water. So we'll just add 2 to 3 splashes. Like, if you want measurements, like, that's just, 20 to 30 ml of water. Just eyeball it. I'm not like measuring anything. So now that we have added our water, now we are going to add our food coloring. So this is the food coloring that we are going to use today. It is called as raspberry red. So yeah, now I'm going to add 2 to 3 drops of this food coloring, like that. And we are going to mix it all with this cute yellow spoon. So yeah, let's mix it. Oh my god, it's already mixing. Let's mix this. This looks so pretty, you guys. Oh my god. So now that our food coloring is all mixed up, now it's time for our next ingredient, which is really important. It really helps all the slime to come together and fluff up. So that is some shaving foam. We really don't need that much. We just need 2 to 3, pumps like this. Like, that's enough. So this is the amount of foam that we wanted. So let's see. Oh god, this looks so pretty. Okay, it's not red anymore. Wow, it's pink. Now that everything is pretty much mixed completely, so we are going to add our borax activator. Now I made this with 1 teaspoon of borax and 1 cup of water, that is 250 ml of water, and 1 teaspoon of borax. And the borax I'm using is this one. You'll get a link in my fantastic, Amazon list, so you guys don't have to worry. And now it's time to activate. So now to activate our slime, make sure you keep on stirring your glue mixture and you're slowly adding your borax activator, not too much, just a little bit at a time. Make sure to use it nicely and start activating the slime. It is activating slowly, and just add a little by little. I'll fast forward this for you guys. I literally forgot how much work it is used to be to make a little clear slime. It is like such a tedious process because you have to keep an eye on how much activator you're adding. If you added too much, you're literally doomed. You cannot add less because then your slime will be super sticky. You just need to make sure that everything is perfect, and just clear slime is super tricky. And I'll just continue to activate this until it gets the perfect consistency. You really don't need a lot of activator. The slime will activate itself. So now, as you guys can see, our slime is pretty much activated. It just need a little bit of kneading so that all the knots can be gone from our slime and it will be super smooth. So now I am going to take a little bit of activator in my hands like this, and I'm going to start kneading our slime, because this is essential, because then your slime won't stick to your hand. Otherwise, if your hands are dry, then the slime will stick to your hand. So yeah, you need to make sure that you have activator in your hands always. So yeah, that's that. So now we'll start kneading it. So as you guys can see, our slime is nice and activated and ready for the addition of snow. So at this point, I'm going to add a little bit of food coloring in this as well, because the original slime was red and I want this to be as red as possible. So we are going to add a little bit more red food coloring. Just a little bit more. So fantastic, our slime is basically ready, and now it's the most important part of making a jelly slime, which is adding fake snow. So I was actually going to add fake snow like this, but that is a little too much. So I'm just going to add a little bit of water into this and make just a little bit, so that it's not too much and it will be super dry. And activate it like a very small Can you see that? Oh my god. So yeah, I'm going to do that. Oh my god, I'm already making a mess. So like this. And as you guys can see, it's pretty much still very dry. So I'm just going to add it like this. So I'm going to add this much and mix it. So now we are going to mix our fake snow into, oh my god, it feels so weird. It's been so long since I've done this, into a slime like this. And just incorporate everything into our slime. As you guys can see, it's getting more stickier because, you know, the snow is making it super sticky. And now I'll just fast forward all this part so that you guys can enjoy. And now we'll wait for this slime to clear up, and after that I'll show you guys how our jelly slime is looking. So until then you guys have to wait, and I'll show you guys the result in just a second. So as you guys can see, this is our jelly slime. Oh god, this looks so pretty. Can you guys see that? Can you guys see this? Oh my god. This is literally the coolest jelly slime texture. Can you guys hear the sizzles? Can you see that? Oh my god. Like, this turned out so well. I hope Adiba will like it. Like, oh my god. Adiba, let me know in the comment section if you like this video. And I hope this is something that made you happy. Like you are such a good friend. Like, I hope this slime can make you happy. Like, can you guys see how pretty this slime is? Wow. Oh my god, you guys. This is so cool. So comment down below which are the type of slime that you guys want to see next. And please give this video a like if you want me to try your slime request as well. And give all of your slime requests in the comment section down below so that I can make your slime in the next upcoming video. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you really like this slime. I literally love it. Like, literally guys, it has such nice sizzles. And yeah guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll soon see you guys with another amazing video. Until then, bye bye.